Manipur government has frozen administrative boundaries of all districts, tehsils and villages in the state from January 1st, 2026 to March 31st, 2027 to facilitate upcoming census operation. The decision was notified through an order signed by Additional Secretary Home Ahanthem Subhash Singh, stating that the Governor of Manipur exercised powers under Clause 4 of Rule 8 of the Census Rules 1990 to ensure smooth conduct of enumeration process. The move has drawn criticism from civil society organizations and political groups who have reiterated demands for updating National Register of Citizens (NRC) before conducting any census in Manipur. A recent political parties conclave organized by Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation resolved to seek postponement of the census until normalcy is restored, internally displaced persons are resettled, and illegal immigrants are identified. Similar concerns have been raised by JCO-DEM, which warned that reliance on disputed 2001 census data and unusually high population growth rates in certain districts could have serious implications for the state.